Hey, I want to give you guys an update on what I've been up to. I'm going to create another channel on how to make money online and different ways to make money besides the box truck business. The box truck business, it's not for everybody. Not everybody has money that you just go buy a box truck and everything's going to go good. It's a bit of a hurdle, as far as money to get into the business. So I want to show you guys how to make money other ways with small investments or no investments at all, how to make money online, or show you how to make money out of your car, using apps and just using the car, or how to sell on eBay, sell on Amazon. On Amazon, I remember before the pandemic, I was selling books. I hate books. I don't read books, but I was selling used books. I send them in by the boxes. They give you like a discount because Amazon has a discount with UPS. They were all used. I paid like $1 a book. I remember selling a book about teeth, dentist teeth. It was like a school book or something. They gave me like 400 bucks. I sold a book like 80 bucks for like a little book like this. It was about a dog. I don't know, one of them shaggy dogs that the preppies be walking them down the street. I don't know what it was about. It was some kind of breed. They gave me 80 bucks for it. Amazon does all the selling for you. They take a decent piece, but when you're paying $1 a book and they're selling them for $50, $60 per book, you still make a nice big piece of profit. So I'm going to show you how to do that. There's software that I use, and there's a barcode that I do to scan the books, to steamroll it, to make it fast, where you could just check for books and show you how to source them. When the pandemic hit, I was going to library sales, Goodwills, used stores. I was going on Craigslist, looking for people trying to get rid of books. And I was able to source them. I did this almost every day. And then the pandemic hit, everything closed, and I put it on the back burner. These are leftover books. I put them in there for decorations just to make it look pretty. But, I'm going to show you how to do that, how to make money with books on Amazon, how to sell on Amazon. I remember selling VCRs, old remotes, toys, cameras, clothes that you get in the Goodwill. I'm going to show you what to find, how to sell it, make money on eBay, stuff that we don't even use, but there's a big market for this. People are always buying old stuff, used stuff. There's a big market for it on eBay. I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm going to show you how to be an affiliate marketer, how to be an internet marketer, how to have software created, and how to sell software. I remember selling software. I would have software created, little pieces of software, nothing major, just little pieces that make somebody's job easier. And I would just sell it to other internet marketers, and I would make money, passively. I would have a sale, and after a few days, make a few $1,000s here and there. T-shirts. I'm going to show you how to start a t-shirt business. One of the lowest costs to start up a t-shirt business. I think I started one a few years ago. I think it was maybe $600-700, and I only had 2 pieces of equipment and, some stuff to get started in the t-shirts. I'll show you how to make your own brand. I have my own brand. T-shirts. These are tags. These are tags that you put in on the t-shirt that hangs off the side. I have my own brand that I have. It's called Go Getter Apparel. I don't know if you can see that, but this is what I do. I mean, I have a brand for entrepreneurs that I sell. I sell t-shirts on big days like Mother's Day, Father's Day. You sell Father's Day t-shirts that are big. Christmas shirts are good. I sell custom mugs. I still have all my equipment back at the house, for t-shirt, but I'm going to show you how to do all this stuff. And I'm going to separate it from the box truck channel because the box truck channel is so niche down that I'm afraid if I start putting different ways to make money on it, the algorithms are going to get confused, and then my videos are just going to get lost because I've been doing nothing but box truck videos. And I did one van video and it kind of took off, but like I said, I don't want to put too much on that channel where it's going to throw all the algorithms off. So I'm going to create a new website, and I'm going to put it in the description, put it in the comments. Go ahead and join, and if something comes up that you can do to make money, whatever you like, go ahead and do it. And I'm going to start making videos for that channel here this week. And yeah, that's pretty much it, man. I just want to let you guys know. I just didn't want to do it all on the box truck channel because, like I said, it's totally dedicated to box truck, and it's a good business to be in. But like I said, not everybody can just go throw down 40-50 grand on a box truck, or even the rental fees are high. So I want to show you other ways to make money with a small startup cost, or with no startup cost that you can do to make other money. Because I'm a serial entrepreneur. I've always wanted to make money, since I was a kid. I grew up poor, and I've never worked for anybody. The first job I had, it was at KFC. I was like 18 years old. I was getting paid like $5 or $6 an hour, and everything was all right because I grew up poor, and $5 or $6 is a lot of money to me. And I was back there, I was cooking chicken every day, and it was just, we would drink Bacardi, play music, just to try to make the time go fast. And all we did was cook chicken. I come home smelling like chicken. I had chicken all on my clothes and everything. And I remember it was the first of the month, and it was just so busy. And we're sitting there trying to scramble to get orders done, and I'm pulling chicken out the damn cooker, and I ended up burning my hand. And that was the last time I had a real job. I was like, I can't, this isn't for me. I left. My cousin was there for 2 years, and he's begging me not to leave. He's like, it's the first of the month. It's the busiest time. Don't leave. And I'm like, I'm out of here. So he ended up quitting on the spot. We walked out the back. And then back then they didn't have cell phones or nothing. I didn't I didn't tell the manager, no, I just went out the back door. And when they ran out of chicken in the front, manager came to the back. It was all empty. And when I went to go, pick up my check 2 weeks later, man, it was pretty bad, man. I felt bad for leaving them flat. But like I said, I've always wanted to be an entrepreneur since I was a kid. So I always done different things. A lot of stuff I failed at. I failed at a lot of things. I never went finished through on a lot of things. But the things I'm going to show you are stuff that actually work for me and work for others. So if you want to just subscribe to that channel and maybe find something that you can do that might interest you, and then you can follow through and maybe make some money for yourself. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to separate the channel from the Box Trick channel and show you all the ways that I've learned over the years on how to make money. I make money in line. I make money, with brick and mortar businesses and in person. So I'm going to go ahead and we're going to go from there.